You imagine? About 6 years ago, this car was worth $70,000. Look at this. So I'm getting this increased battery discharge, SOS system malfunction. I'm assuming there's some serious electrical thing going on. Occasionally I drive down the road and my navigation system will just turn red, as if it's like restarting or rebooting itself. But yeah, 70 grand, you know, and just a few years later it's like, might as well get a Honda Civic that'll work 20 years from now without a single code. So just wanted to see if anybody's getting the same issue and possibly share what's going on. What do you think it is, or what could it be? It doesn't happen all the time, just sometimes. This is the first winter that I've owned the car, so it's a little interesting experience. I've got a 2010 M3 convertible E93. Pretty cool, huh? No navigation, no sound, no audio, no radio. Nothing works when... See, this is what it does, just flickers back and forth. Nice stuff.